Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Inayatullah Khan and I am studying in class 8 before. Today I am going to show you a demonstration on the topic correlation of mathematics with other subjects. First we'll understand what is correlation. The meaning of the term correlation in simplest form is to connect or to be connected. Mutual relation of two or more than two items or things. Uses of correlation. The aim of education is to achieve the all-round development of a child. This cannot be done by teaching only in a simple classroom. It makes learning permanent and concrete a knowledge to the learner. It makes the lesson easy and clear to the student. It enhances the mental abilities like problem solving, logical reasoning, imagination and analytical power of student. Correlation of mathematics with other disciplines. Mathematics is science of all sciences and arts of all arts. After understanding the basic concept of mathematics, students need to correlate the importance and concept of mathematics with other subjects, so as to understand other subjects easily and establish relationship. Mathematical knowledge plays a crucial role in understanding the contents of other subjects. It is important to have a rich knowledge of mathematics in order to understand the concepts of other main subjects. Mathematics with general science. Maths and general science are two closest connected fields. Mathematics is used in most of the application like in work, energy, electricity, motion, gravitation and magnetism, etc. Mathematics and physics. Child should have a rich knowledge of mathematics in order to understand physics. Generally, final shape to the rules of physics is given by mathematics. If presents three rules in practically workable form. Mathematical calculations occur in every step of mathematical science. Charlie's law of expansion of gases is based upon mathematical calculation. Numerical problems on liquid, pressure, frictional force, force laws, gravitation, momentum, etc. Mathematics and chemistry. Molecular weights of organic compounds are calculated with mathematics. To measure the constituents of mixtures in chemical compounds. To calculate empirical or molecular formula. In balancing the chemical equations in electronic configuration of atom of the element. Charlie's laws of expansion of gases is based upon mathematical calculations. Mathematics and biology. Mathematics has very high correlation with biology. In normal weight, caloric value, rate of respiration, nutritive value of food, transpiration is calculated by maths. The growth in weight of infants up to 9 months. The count the number of bones in human body and other different species. To measure blood pressure, to count the number of white blood cells and red blood cells in different blood groups. Mathematics and social sciences. After completion of the unit, child can read, interpret and draw the graphs. For example, to compare the population, student can draw bar graphs, population density of various countries, per capita income, etc. Some other subjects. Except these subjects, mathematics is also correlated to other subjects such as geography, history, economics, fine arts, agriculture, commerce, account, ICT, engineering, psychology, astronomy, physical education and industry. Conclusion. Mathematics is the science of all sciences and arts of all arts. It is almost impossible to understand the concept of other main subjects without having a good base of mathematics. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.